Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 9, Com Care, that is computer care. In today's class, we shall see how we can take proper care of computers. So, what are the ways? What are those 3 ways in which we can take proper care of our computer? Then we shall also understand what is the correct sitting posture on computer and how to clean computer hardware. In that we shall see how we can clean the mouse, computer mouse, and how to use mouse with care. So let's start. So what are those 3 ways in which we can take proper care of the computer? So first is by keeping it physically clean. So we should always keep our computer clean. It should not have dust, it should not have dirt or any other stain, it should be clean. Then we should protect the computer from viruses. Yes, so what are viruses? Virus is something which damages our computer systems. It damages the files, the important files of our system. So there are many types of viruses which basically they attack our system. They may attack our system if our system does not have antivirus or it is not safe. So it damages the system and we may not be able to use our computer properly. Then we should also take backup of our important files and folders. Backup is like keeping the copies of some important files and folders. So why is this important? So that in case if there is any problem with the computer or if there is any issue in the computer, but if we have kept the copies of our important files and folders, so they may not get lost and we may use it again. So in case of issues or problems, our files and folders are safe if we keep the backup or the copies of our important files and folders. So we can keep anywhere backup. Okay, we can keep on internet, on our mails, or we can keep in some storage device, any other storage device. So we can keep backup. So there are many ways where we can keep backup of our important files and folders. So these are the ways in which we can take proper care of our computer. Now we shall see what is the correct sitting posture on the computer. Okay, so let's understand this correct sitting posture. So this eye level, so this is our system, this monitor, this keyboard. Okay, so this is our system. It is kept on the table and we have a chair on which we can sit. And now let's see how to properly have a correct sitting posture. So here the eye level should be on the top level of the monitor. Eye level should be at the top of the monitor, okay, so that there is no harm to our eyes. Okay, so it should be proper angle. Okay, and as we go down, as we work on computer screen, so the screen, if we want to work on the different levels, so accordingly we can adjust here this our seat, this chair's height. Okay, so we can accordingly adjust. Here the arms relaxed at sides with upper arm and lower arm forming 90-degree angle. So this is the upper arm, this is the upper arm, this is the lower arm. So the angle should be 90 degrees. Okay, angle should be 90 degrees. So this way they should be relaxed. Here the wrist, it should be straight. This is the wrist. Okay, wrist, it should be straight and your fingers should be relaxed on keyboard and mouse. Here the lower legs, this is the upper leg and this is the lower leg. Okay, see the angle, it can be 90 or more than 90 degrees. Okay, so see this angle, it should be, this is the relaxing position. Okay, and the feet should be flat, it should be resting on the ground or on the footrest. So this is the footrest. So it should either they should be resting on the ground or they should be on the footrest. So this is how. Here the back, now the back position, see the back position. Okay, so back, this upper back should be straight and there should be a little curve this in the lower back, okay, and accordingly this chair, this back should be accordingly, so that our back is in a position, in a comfortable position to work on the system, and this should be adjustable as we work on the computer. So this is the correct sitting posture on the computer. So how to keep our computer mouse clean? So before you clean, ensure that you have unplugged mouse from the USB port. So this is you have seen how we plug in the mouse in the CPU. Okay, so this is a USB point of it, and this is a USB connection, and we in the USB port in CPU we insert it. So we need to unplug it. Okay, we need to remove it from the USB port first, and then with some moist cloth, okay, with some moist cloth, you can take a cotton cloth and little bit you can take water, and you can moisten it with some water. So with this moist cloth you can just clean the top and the bottom of the mouse, so that any dust or any dirt or any stain if on the mouse are removed, okay, with this cloth. Then if you are using a mechanical mouse, it is having a trackball. So the way to remove this trackball is just moving it, turning it in anti-clockwise direction, this way, okay, anti-clockwise direction, it will come out, and then after it comes out you can just clean it, the ball and the inside part of it, and this is how you can clean this. Okay, so this way you can clean the computer mouse, and then after, once all the parts of the mouse gets dried, we can reassemble, we can again put the ball inside or any other connection, and we can reconnect it. This is how we can clean, and we can again reassemble and reconnect. Then how to use mouse with care? We should always use mouse pad. Okay, so this is mouse pad. This, see, the mouse is kept on this mouse pad. What is the importance of this mouse pad? The grip is better on this mouse pad, and it keeps our mouse clean. Okay, and we should always click the mouse gently. The clicks that we do on there is a left click, there is a right button, left button, then there is a scroll ball. So we should use these buttons we should click gently. We should not use mouse, or we should not do mouse clicks roughly. It may damage the computer hardware, that is the computer mouse. And we should not touch the mouse with sticky hands. So the hands should be clean, our hands should be clean while using this computer mouse. They should not be sticky, they should not be oily, or while eating with the same hand and same hand we are using with the mouse, it should not be that. So it may stain the mouse, and the mouse may become dirty. So we should use mouse with clean hands. So this is how we can use mouse, computer mouse with care. So children, today we have seen what are the ways in which we can take care of our computer. Then we have seen, we have understood what is the correct sitting posture on the computer, and how we can clean the computer mouse, and how we can use computer mouse with care. So that's all in today's video. Understand the video properly, do reading at home, and if you while using the computer, remember the correct sitting posture, and while cleaning, just understand the video, how to clean and take proper care, how to use mouse with proper care. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a nice day.